Welcome to my channel, viewers and subscribers. I'm happy to have you back. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make popsicles at home without using popsicle mold. I posted a video on my channel a few weeks ago on how to make this juice. If you haven't seen it as yet, you can go ahead and watch it, or you can make your own juice while following the instructions in this video. I will place a link in the description box down below with the process of how to make this juice. If you wish to use any other kind of juice to make your popsicles, there is no need for you to go and search for recipe because I have multiple juice recipes for you guys, and I will also post the link to those videos in the description box down below, so no worries. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. The first thing you need to do is to prepare your juice, which I already did, as I After taking the popsicles out of the freezer, you will need some hot water into a container to take them out of the cup, or you can leave them out onto the kitchen counter to defrost before eating them. The hot water is a faster way of defrosting the popsicles. Just leave them into the hot water for a few seconds and they will easily slide off into the cups. As you all can see, the color from the blue popsicle sticks came off inside the popsicle. The best popsicle sticks to use are the ones that does not have color, so be careful on your choices. At the time when I was making this video, I only had these ones, so I just had to use what I had in that moment. I hope I will get the chance to go to the store soon so that I can make more popsicles videos in the future. So guys, here you have your popsicles you can now serve and enjoy. This is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and invite someone over so that they can become a part of the family. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next upload. Peace.